So we finished the Yoga Nidra with Shavasana. Sorry, I must have lost you all, but never mind. I was deep in my journey. Didn't realize even. But yeah, now we'll do the pranayama. Yeah, so pran kriya, some basic pran kriyas. We can start with our Bhastika pranayam. You all know the Bhastika pranayam. So these are much more what I was talking about, how to utilize to the maximum our sensory powers. Those 10 senses I talked about is better stimulated by these exercises, pran kriya. So first one, Bhastika. So breathing through the nose, breathe out through the nose. So when you breathe in, put your belly button out. When you breathe out, push your belly button in. So all that I was talking about, all is now directly practical now. Yeah, that's how it actually stimulates your vasovagal tone and what the parasympathetic system, the healing of this body, the opening up of your pharmacy inside the body. You can help yourself by doing Sudarshan Kriya. So when you breathe in, push your belly button out. When you breathe out, push your belly button in. Use the strength of your hand. One more time. So breathing is such a huge exercise in itself. Breathing is such an important and responsible activity of our body, and which is most neglected, sadly. And this is just a human nature. We neglect the closest who to us are, and everything that is closest to us gets neglected for some reason. So just understand the breath. But it's very good exercise as well. You start sweating so quickly. Now we do Ujjayi Pranayam. So vibrational activity for the throat. So if you keep practicing, then you can feel the vibrations, the energy. It will come initially, it is very irritating. Yeah, it's hard. But over time, now put your chin onto the chest and do the same. Breathe in through the throat, right inside deep in your lungs. Breathe out similarly. Up, close your right nostril, breathe out through the left nostril. Agnisar. Agnisar, you breathe deeply, breathe everything out, push your belly button in, hold your breath, then move your belly button while you are holding your breath, out and in, out and in. Yeah. So Agni Sar, Agni Jyoti Samta. Yeah. Breathe in and out. So depending on your how much practice you do, you can do it 5 times, 10 times, 20 times, 30 times, 40 times, whatever. It increases slowly. One more time. Breathe in. One more time. Let's do Kapal Bhati. Yeah? Now the fourth one is Kapal Bhati. You know how to do Kapal Bhati. Keep your back straight. You can sit on a chair. You can support anything. You can use your back support like this if it becomes very painful, your muscles. You do it in your rate. How fast you do. It's all on you. The main thing is discipline and trying to do it. Repetition is the most important part of it. Yeah. So it's a breathing out exercise, exhalation. So as we breathe out, we press the belly button in like that. So just spice it yourself. You can do it 1 per second or whatever number. You can have a break. You can join again. Keep doing. So we'll do it for a few minutes. Yes, and it's summertime, so you sweat very quickly anyway. Kapalbhati. Okay. So Kapalbhati done. Now we'll do Vaikumbhak. So with Vaikumbhak, so you do a Ventrapati, which is breathing in deeply. Breathe out. Close all your orifices. Mool Bandh, Jalandhan Bandh, Udan Bandh. So you can feel the presence, the peace, the vibration, what we talk about, you feel the energy. After a while of all this practice leading to this, where you do Vahi Kumbhak, Vahi Briti, holding the breath and controlling all your orifices, the mind becomes completely almost empty, which is like occupied by around every thought per minute, something like that. So how much energy that you derive because once this is taken away. One more time. If you are still not able to feel emptiness, then just use the prana mantra Om Bhu Om Bhuva Om Saha Om Maha Om Jana. Yeah, repeat it. But like for practicing, now for me, I don't need to do anything. It becomes completely still, like the ocean without any wind. Still, completely becomes like. And let's do Anulom Vilom. So breathing into the left nostril, holding it, then out to the right, then into the right, hold out to the left. So breathe in. Alternate nasal breathing, Anulom Vilom. Now convert this into Nadi Shodhan. So you're doing the same routine, but it's very quiet, subtle, that there's no noise, even if you don't feel the breath along your lips even. It's so quiet. Nadi Shodhan. Into the right, hold it, out to the left, hold it, into the left, hold, out to the right, into the right, hold, out to the left, hold, into the left, to the right, to the right, out to the left. Now keep sitting in this position. Now you can do meditate. You can meditate because your mind is now at a level of stillness in some ways. Because you can't control your thought. It has to be a natural state. Once you naturally reach a state, then you get this presence of yourself, the inner aspect of yourself, the true self that you are. Then being in that is what is meditation. We use different means. People use candles, people use sun, moon, mantras. It's all a guide to this state, to coming to this state now that you are feeling completely at peace within yourself. And to maintain that is the task now. Because if you want to feel blissfulness and samadhi, you need to just maintain this for a while. So we'll continue this with now in form of meditation. Breathe in deeply. Om Bhur Swaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na प्रचोदयात्। हे परमपिता परमात्मा, हम अपने विभिन्न दुखों की निवृत्ति के लिए और आपके पूर्ण आनंद की प्राप्ति के लिए अपने पूर्ण शक्ति से आपके शरण में आए हैं। आप कृपा करके हमारे संपूर्ण दुखों को दूर करके हमें पूर्ण आनंद की प्राप्ति कराइए और आपकी कृपा हमारे ऊपर सदा बनी रहे। O God, give of life, remove of pain, sorrows, bestow of happiness, creator of universe, the utmost luminous, pure and adorable, we meditate on thee. Please inspire and guide our intellect in the right direction. धारणा, ध्यान और समाधि। उससे पहले प्रतिहारा। अपने आप को पहचानिए, मैं शुद्ध आत्मा हूं, मैं चेतन स्वरूप हूं। I'm not this body, I'm not this mind, I'm not the thoughts, I'm not the emotions. The body keeps changing, the mind keeps changing, the thoughts keep changing, the emotions keep changing, but I never change. मैं शुद्ध आत्मा हूँ, मैं चेतन स्वरूप हूँ, मैं शुद्ध आत्मा, मैं चेतन स्वरूप हूँ, मैं शुद्ध आत्मा, मैं चेतन स्वरूप हूँ। Now, to maintain this state, probably the best way of doing it is to actually get immersed into the qualities of the creator, that energy, the universal consciousness, that energy, just completely be present within it, and to live and recognize or remind yourself of the qualities of this everlasting bliss, omnipresent, omniscient, omnipotent energy from eternity, from the beginning to now, to future, from creation to maintaining to destruction. All cycles are maintained. So immerse yourself in this. We are the limited consciousness to that universal consciousness, that energy. So your presence at every level, material success, whatever you want, your emotional well-being, and your understanding of your true self will all grow because you are connected to this universal energy. It automatically starts flowing. It's like a tap. It opens up and everything, the water flows down, fills your bucket. It like comes inside you. So you'll be protected in whatever happens. Like Adi Devik, Adi Bhautik, at whatever level, Prithvi Lok, Vanaspati, whatever is the negativity or difficulty, you are always above and beyond it. So that energy then keeps you floated. You are like a lotus flower, basically within whatever is happening, but above, and the beauty of you always will be expressed. So that is what you achieve, because whatever I call heaven and earth is nowhere else, but it is here in itself. The state of your living is what it is. Shuddhamasi, Buddhamasi, Muktamasi, Niranjanamasi. All pure, perfect, and complete. Tattvamasi Aham Brahma Jas Chidanand Sankalp Moksh Shiva Shakti Ritam. Vairag, detachment. Feel that energy, and slowly your state, inertia, negativities, tamasic states will be removed. Your rajasic component will be balanced, where you achieve a neutrality, which is called Nishkam Karma. Because the cyclic nature of the birth, death, and this process is actually karmic. The karma of whatever. But eventually, when it becomes totally Nishkam, then you evolve. That what is done with the best of intentions, with the most discipline and power, without any expectations, is what is the state of neutrality, Nishkam. Then Satogun, this purity of it flows through your body. And then slowly the darkness, the dust particles that are sitting on the body center will slowly be washed away. So your part of your spirit, the soul component, and then it lets you see yourself, who you are, who am I? The biggest question of humanity is this: who am I? What am I? What is my real goal? Then it slowly starts expressing itself. So the dust particles are the clashes, avidya, asmita, rag, dvesh, avanive. All this fear I was talking about, everything is actually destruction of your progress of completely evolving yourself as a human. Because the more externally you are trying to control this, the more you become a prisoner of yourself. You're not actually getting the freedom, but you become a prisoner of all the circumstances, the senses that are there. Slowly, then it will balance your vak, pit, kapha, the different states of our body to give you health. You identify what to eat and not, what season, when, and where. It's not all academic. Academia is important knowledge-wise, but the practice of it is more important, because then this whole knowledge becomes a practice in itself. You are living there. And that is the ultimate, all these guides, Patanjali and them, rishis and sages that we have written. If it was that easy, everybody has a book. Everybody can read it. But reading is important knowledge. The practice is what then suddenly opens you up to this whole universal energy and the connection. So you start recognizing yourself. Jagrit Sthiti, Swapna, Shushupti, Turiya Tar, Bhargav Chetana. All these different states you'll know from when you are awake to sleep to dream. The more and more it starts coming to you. And what is the word that we have? You know, the whole thing about now quantum entanglement, it's called, that we have parallel universe, the time dilation beyond whatever I speak to you now is actually protected. It's gone to the end of the cosmic horizon, and it's called in physicist terms quantum entanglement. It's actually kept. Nothing goes. So this, the science is now actually validating what rishis wrote in the Vedas many thousands of years ago. So this, that becomes natural. Your word, the vani, how it comes out, the sankalp, dhyan, jnana, what we're talking about, what we eat, an, jal, the agni, which is forms the mind. Beyond that, space, smriti, the atma, the pran, atma, and then the universal connection, the paramatma. It develops like that. So while we struggle, everybody, you know, asks me, how do I live? Everybody is so difficult these days. There are states which will come to Maitri Bhav, Karuna, Mudita, Upekshana. You know, good people, but you will know how to live with everything and every time, everywhere. Identifying the different sheets of your body, Anmaya, Kosh, Manmaya, Pranmaya, Vijnanmaya, Anandmaya. This is all that brings that connection to you. Then Lokeshna, Putresha, Viteshna, this kind of constriction that is all around when you are superficially attached everywhere, it controls you. Then you feel the true ahimsa, satya, astya, brahmacharya, pigraha, sauch, santosh, tapasya, swadhyaya, ishwar pranidhana, all that just flows naturally. And then state of that ekagra, that we are sitting in this position by doing asanas, pranayama, pran kriya, and then now you are in a ekagra state which brings to you all you know, the function of this yog chitra vritti nirodha, cervical se sarvichar, sarvij se nirvij, sampraja sthiti se sampraja sthiti, sargun se nirgun, sanat, shushmita, kaivalya. So you achieve this thing with, then you feel this siddhis, anima, mahima, garima, larima, mahima, prajapati, prapti, prakamya, istiva, vistva. So choice is ours. What we do, where we are, actually was our choice as well. And beyond this is our choice too. Mantra Chikitsa. Om Chakshurdehitam Purushachuprit Mushat Pasheme Sharda Shatam Jive Me Sharda Shatam Shuniyame Sharda Shatam Prabhama Sharda Shatam Dina Shyama Sharda Shatat Vishcham Sharda Shatat Yajagrato Durme Devitim Devitam Duramam Jyotisham Jyotirikam Tanme Manashu Sankalpamastu Om Trembakam Yajamahe Shunandin Pushpi Vardhanam Urvarukviva Bandhanam Mrityurmukshmamritat Om Tejomasi Tejomahi Dehi Om Balamashi Balamahi Dehi Om Ojomasi Ojomahi Dehi Om Virmasi Virmahi Dehi Om Shahomasi Sahomahi Dehi Om Manurmasi Manurmahi Dehi Om Tameo Machata Pita Tameo Bandhu Shakha Tameo Vidya Darvinam Tameo Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Om Vishwani Deva Savitardurtani Parashua Yad Bhadram Tanna Ashua Om Hirangarbha Samavartatagre Bhuta Sajatapati Rekyashi Sadadhari Pitabimdya Mutema Kishmai Devaya Habisha Videma Vyatmada Balada Yascha Vishwapastapasham Yascha Deva Yasya Chayamritam Yascha Mirte Kishmai Devaya Habisha Videma Om Yapranato Nimishato Mahitva Kandrija Jagato Bhabhuva Yaishe Se Dvipachaspatuspada Kishmai Devaya Habisha Videma Om Prajapati Natadita Nanne Vishwajatani Parita Bhavua Kamaste Jo Mastanastuve Shampataru Rehinam Om Sannavandra Janita Sabhidata Dhamani Ved Nani Vishwa Yatra Deva Amritmani Shanna Shashitriye Dhamanna Dhairiyanta उमग्नेन सुपतारा अस्मान् विश्वानि देव वयुनानि विद्वान् यदस्मज्जौरानमेनो भूयिष्यान्तेन मुक्तिं विधेम। ओम भगवती ओम नमो शंभवाय च नमो भवाय च नमः शंकराय च मस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च। ओम शन्नो मित्रा शन्न वरुणा शन्नो भर्गो हरिमा शन्नो इंद्रो बृहस्पति शन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमा नमो ब्रह्मे नमस्तवाय तमेव प्रतीक्षं ब्रह्मादि स्वामी रिक्तं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्ममौतु तद्वाक्तरामौतु मामौतु वाक्तराम्। ओम शन्न देवी रविष्टया आपो भवन्तु पीते शन्नो रवि शर्वन्तु न। ओम सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मंगलं भवतु। ओम स्वस्ति न इंद्रो बृहद्देवाशा स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नष्टाशर्यो अरिष्टनेमि स्वस्ति न बृहस्पतिर्दधातु न। ओम यथा पिंडे तथा ब्रह्मांडे यथा पिंडे। ओम पूर्णविवाहि कर्माणि जे विषेतां समायो त्वयि नान्यतिथि अस्ति न कर्म लिपते नवे। ओम अस्तमा सत्गमया तमसुमा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्युमा अमृतं गमया। ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम देव शांति अंतरिक्ष गुम शांति पृथ्वी शांति रापा शांति रोषधय शांति वनस्पति शांति विश्वे देवा शांति ब्रह्म शांति सर्वगुम शांति शांति रेव शांति क्षमा शांति रेवि। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम let's do some Brahmani. So 3 times. Keep your eyes closed, your fingers on your eyes, close your ears, the triangles with your thumb, the remaining fingers on your lips. So you're only making Om sound through your nose. Om. ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम ठीक है जी, परमात्मा का कृपा बना रहे। ओम हाँ जी, कैसे हो?
जी धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया जी।
ठीक है, कैसा था?
बढ़िया बढ़िया जी,
समय जी
बहुत अच्छा था।
ओके जी। Vijay, how are you? Nice to have you, man. Always good.
Yeah, thank you, Rava.
Yes.
Charge for the week, whole week.
Yes. So now charge for the week. Next Sunday will be good.
Yes. Last week I missed because I couldn't see that link.
Yeah, yeah.
You know,
No.
I have the video recordings as well. So
yeah, the link is the same one now. I won't change it. Just leave the same. Okay, Ji. Have a nice day. Enjoy.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah. Namaste. Dhanyawad.
Namaste. Bye. Thank you, Raghav.
Thank you.